One of the most consistent questions that I get asked the most frequently is what is the difference between citations and backlinks? And the reality is that it's actually quite simple, but I understand why people confuse them. One of the most common questions I get asked in the SEO space and in my Facebook group with my course students is what is the difference between citations and backlinks? So in this video, I'm going to be explaining what the difference is because I understand why people get confused. So citations are basically submitting your business to directories on the web. So for example, we all are probably familiar with white pages, although it's kind of a boomer site, I guess, at this point. But there used to be a lot of websites, like Yelp is kind of still a thing, but people don't really use it. So there's like all these websites that kind of most businesses that have been around for a while are typically listed in. And so those are citations. Now, one could argue that technically, yes, you're getting a backlink because when you submit your business to these directories, typically you are including a link, right? You have your business name, your phone number, you have an actual link to your business website, and among other details like business, email, etc., right? But the reality is that we don't actually use these sites to get traffic. The reason we do this is because Google and the search engines that be want this. What Google does not want to do is they do not want to show scam businesses and fake results in their search engine because obviously that does not reflect very good on them. And so what basically citations are is it's a bunch of sites saying, hey, this is a legitimate business, right? This is an actual business that exists at this address with this information. And so a lot of times you'll hear NAP in local SEO, right? NAP, and NAP stands for name, address, and phone number. And the thing with NAP is that the idea is that all these sites have to have the same info. So the exact same address written as is. It used to be like way more. People had to have it the exact same way across all sites to like an insane degree. So a perfect example of this is if my address is 123 Roseberry Road, apartment 45. If you had that address and then you just had 45 instead of apartments, it actually used to be a problem way back in the day. This is like boomer SEO, whereas now obviously it doesn't really matter, right? Like Google's smart enough to know, the kind of difference here, but you don't want incorrect addresses where it's like a completely different address or a different website domain, right? So NAP, again, just to kind of recap real quick, when we talk about citations and NAP, we're talking about, just listing your business in directories, right? Think of it as the online equivalent of putting your business in all the phone books that have authority, right? Then we get into backlinks, and backlinks are basically other websites that you don't own, preferably authority websites or websites that are trusted, that have a lot of traffic, right? A lot of visitors, kind of consistent visitors. Backlinks are when you get these sites to actually link to your site. And so that's kind of the difference, is when we're doing backlinks, we do want traffic, and typically people get backlinks through things like guest posting, going on podcasts, doing content collaborations with other people, right? Working on pieces of content together, which can be fun, right? Whereas citations are directory submissions. Okay, so if you have to kind of separate it like that, I've been asked this question 3 or 4 times now, which is why I made this short video, so that hopefully you can understand the difference between them. So again, citations, directories, backlinks, other websites that you actually want to get clicks and real visitors from. Citations are more about SEO juice. Backlinks are more about getting traffic to your website. Real quick, before you continue watching the video, do you want to learn proven, powerful, and efficient real-world SEO strategies? If the answer is yes, for a limited time, I'm opening enrollment in my SEO Master Bootcamp course. Now, before you skip this, and I hear you rolling your eyes about course, what makes this course different is that number one, you get all my upsells, all my future products, all my current products. So you get over 200 videos, 16 hours of real-world training spread across over 4 comprehensive courses courses. You also get access to me. You have lifetime support from not just me, but from an exclusive community of SEO experts. There are hundreds of people in the Facebook group and in the course that actually are here just to help you succeed, whether you're a business owner or whether you're a digital marketer. Our goal and our mission here at Local Rank Ninja is to help you succeed. So that sounds like something you're interested in. Click the button down below right now to join and get instant access, because it's really exciting. It's really cool what we're doing, and we're closing enrollment soon. So this is your last chance to grab access to the course before we close it forever. And with that being said, back to the video. Okay, so I have a perfect example pulled up here. So you can see this is Ulysses New York style pizza. It's one of my favorite pizza places. And I'm going to use them just because they're a real example. So there's no better way to teach them to show real world stuff when it comes to SEO. So this is the pizza place right here. So first I'm going to show you an example of a citation that is basically them putting themselves in a directory of sorts. So this right here is their MapQuest listing. Now I know you're like, MapQuest, what the heck? Technically that's one of the citation websites. Now you're probably wondering, okay, well, what are the citation websites so I know if it's a backlink or a citation, right? And that's a really good question. So Omnicore has a really great piece of content on their website called The Ultimate List of 150 Local SEO Citation Sources updated for this year. And if you go to this page, they actually list all the websites that you should be in. So if the website isn't here, it's a citation. Now, you're probably noticing that we have things like LinkedIn, Facebook, Google Maps, Apple Maps in here, right? And that's because these are kind of, again, more of directories that you want to be in. Well, some of these could very well bring you traffic, probably won't for the most part, right? You might get a visitor or customer here or there. Obviously, Google Maps, yeah, you're going to get customers, right? But Apple Maps, you start to see less usage than Google Maps, right? TripAdvisor, it's a niche thing, right? MapQuest, that's very niche, right? So as you go through, it's going to be less and less traffic on here. So you want to be ideally, again, in these actual directories if possible. Now, besides citations, let me show you an actual example of a backlink now. So this right here is a backlink, and this is because this is someone's blog. It's buffalopizzablog.org, and they actually have, published an article talking about this restaurant, right? So you can see they have all this stuff in here. So this is an example of a backlink, right? Because they're linking to Ulysses, and you can see they link to different things in here, right? They're linking to different pizza places as well, not just Ulysses. And because of that, right, this is driving traffic and authority, building authority to their website. So this is a pizza blog for the city I'm in, and you can see they cover different pizza places. Now, not every blog is just going to be like reviews of different places, and it can be hard to get into blogs and get backlinks, but that's kind of a separate video where I actually talk about the kind of how to do it, right? We're not really going to get into that because that wasn't the initial question of this video, and I do talk about how to get backlinks in detail inside the SEO Master Bootcamp. So if you're not in the bootcamp, you probably should be if you want to learn more about real world SEO, and there's a link down below this video where you can actually get access to that. But that basically wraps up the difference. I hope it makes sense. Again, when we talk about citations, we're talking about business directories, and when we're talking about backlinks, we're talking about typically blog style content. Could be like a video though, or something like that. Could be a podcast with an actual clickable link to your website, like what they have here, where I click on it and it goes to Ulysses' website. So that wraps up this video. But with that being said, I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to give it a like, thumbs up, leave a comment down below if you agreed or disagreed. You can dislike too, and I really don't care. And tap that subscribe button. It helps the channel grow, and it allows me to keep answering your questions and serving you when it comes to SEO topics like this. But until next time, I will talk to you later and continue being an SEO ninja.